Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace Cash App cards. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we're just going through these Cash App support articles so we can learn more about how we can get our another Cash App card. So basically you will be needing just to report a lost or a stolen card. So just make sure to report that you have lost your card so you can get another one and replace it. And basically to order a new Cash App card, all you need to do is just go to the card tab. And basically here in the home screen, you will find this view as follow. And in the bottom menu, you will find the card tab, the cash tab, and the discovery and activity. So basically here you will need just to go to the card tab, and from there you will be needing to select get card support. So if you go to the menu of the card, and basically you would be needing just to go to from this menu and just go down until you find get select get card support. And after that, you will need just to select the report card issue. And by selecting this, you will need just select card stolen, compromised, or card missing, and or in any other case, if it's expired or anything else, you will need just to select the correct reason. So make sure to select the correct reason, and then after that, you will need just to follow the steps prompts. So you will be asked some questions or fill in some forms, and basically you will be needing just to continue the process until you will have your card that will be created. If you got any other problems, you might just go to the support. So basically from your account, you will be needing just to go to support and start asking for support in the chat support, and you can ask them for your exact problem. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.